Hey everyone, my name is Carrie and I'm the team lead of the product training department here at Wellness Living. In this training video, I'm going to show you how we can track multiple clients' usage for a purchase option that is shared or transferred. To start, I'm on a client profile, and to show you I already have a relationship that is set up for Carrie with Patricia Holmes as a friend. Now, if I go under the accounts and go to passes and memberships, I can quickly show you that the 6-month unlimited membership autopay is in fact shared. So under details shared, and if I click on the down arrow, I can see that it is shared with Patricia Holmes here. Now, while we're on this page, we want to see which clients are going to be using this specific purchase option for upcoming schedules, and we can also see which ones have been used in the past for visits. So on this exact same page for this specific purchase option, if I were to scroll to the right, you will see two columns here for used and upcoming, and there is a digit in there if there are any used visits and if there's any upcoming schedules, and it is hyperlinked, so meaning that we can actually click on this figure. So if I go upcoming and click on number 4, it's going to bring me to this page for Carrie's 6-month unlimited membership autopay for the upcoming schedule, and I can see exactly which clients will be using this specific purchase option for upcoming visits. I can see the service, the staff name, etc., etc. And obviously, we can also further filter this by even more dates that are ahead. So just quickly going back to our previous page, we can also do the same thing under used and clicking on the digit. And on this specific page, it is now attendance history for that same purchase option. And again, scrolling down, we can see the date range is now currently from November 25th to December 3rd, which is in the past. And I can see exactly during that time period which clients use this purchase option to pay for their visits. Now, this is a great feature for business owners and staff members who want the ability to see the full attendance history and upcoming schedule of a shared or transferred purchase option so that they can track the visit usage when multiple clients use a purchase option. So keeping in mind that this feature works for both shared purchase options and purchase options that have been transferred from one client to the other. Now, coming back to the client's passes and memberships page, I do want to point out that you can also, beside the purchase option under action, click on the 3 dots and click on the attendance history as well to view the usage by multiple clients with this purchase option in the past. So as you can see here, I can still see Carrie and Patricia and for past dates as well. I'm going to go back to the client profile on the left-hand side now. There is one more place that I do want to show you. So under Carrie, I'm going to go under attendance. And if you recall that there is a section for upcoming schedule and attendance history, I do want to point out that if you go directly to these pages, upcoming schedule or attendance history on a client profile, that is not through the account and passes and memberships page. It will only show the client's past visits and upcoming schedules for the client profile that you're currently on. So you can see that we no longer can see Patricia's upcoming schedules on this page because I came directly to this page. So in order to see multiple client visit usages in the past and for the upcoming schedule, you do have to go through the passes and memberships page through the previous method that I just displayed.